bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Then the bubbles josh, crash, crash. Staff up, pop, pop, up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Beaky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer.
Oh no!
Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Cup goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and flips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play. Oh no, no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound.